Hey, it's Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today, I want to show you one of my favorite setups in trading. It's a WD Gann or William Delbert Gann setup, or however you want to say that. He's what I would consider one of my trading masters. But this is actually going to be trading tips, our futures trading tips #1. This is called Fourth Time Through, and it's a Gann concept once again, and it's one of my all-time favorite trading setups that when I see it, I am looking to get into a trade. Now, if we go to the charts here, what we see, this is actually October 22nd, right as the crude oil market opens up. And what I want to do is get that screen draw tool back out again here, all right? And go over this particular setup here with you and why it was a valid one to get long here. Here is your first time coming through right here. Here's your second. Here's your third. Here's your fourth. Now, you have 4 times that we've attempted this bar, all in a matter of from, was that the 8:01 through 8:17, right? So about 16 minutes that we've went down, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Usually that fourth time, if it's got any strength at all, when it comes to hitting that fourth time, if there's any strength at all to the short, it's going to shoot on down, right? So in other words, it's going to come down this way, and it's going to come down hard. It forces a bottom right there. Now, the other side of this equation is that if it can't get through on that fourth time, it's a very valid long signal. So here's your long, right? See how the power of this long right here kicks into the market. All right, that's trading example 1, how you look at it as how it hits there. I mean, if you want to look at it, it's a quadruple bottom, right? Boom, 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 and it doesn't go through. Usually when you see it, it'll go bam, 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 and then it shoots through, right? Like rock, paper, scissors, shoot, whatever you want to think. However you want to think of that, that's probably a good example. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So in this case, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So yeah, exactly. All right, so let's move on to the next trading example. Why I pause this video for a second. All right, so here's trading example #2. This is the same day, October 22nd. I want to give you another view and another angle of looking at that fourth time through. Now, this example is what is called a trading range or a trading channel. Right, so what we're looking at here is a channel, and let me show you on the screen draw. So here's our channel. So hopefully you can see that channel. The channel's showing up here, right? And here is our bottom. But I want you to look over here too. The last prior high, now it gets through this one right here, right? Barely. But look up here. On our trading charts, what we see is another higher high, let's say, okay? So what we're trying to do on the long side is break through, right, to make a move up here. Now each time it comes up here, it goes up, it doesn't go up, and then it crests up here. Now, this is also called an ascending triangle. You can call it that way as well. Some people look at it. I look at it, sometimes you see it in an ascending triangle. Other times you see it in a trading channel like you see it this way. Here is your 4 times, right? So we have our bottom right here, right? This could be 1 R2. Here's 3, R2. Here's 3, R4. And right through here, when it crests underneath this point right there, signifies that we have a break point that could possibly happen here. So this is not as strong as the first example that I showed you, but this right here is a trading channel break of a prior not being able to go across a higher high. So here's your higher high, and here is it not being able to crest above it, and it moves down and below here the 4th time through, and then it crushes and comes on down. And this one actually stops and then moves back up. It ends up being a break-even trade, but this is a trading channel example of what this looks like. All right, this is Dave Knight here at 123 Day Trade. There's all kinds of examples that we can go over here on the fourth time through. I would love to have you in part of my training if you want to take advantage. This is trading tip number 1. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to be putting out my favorite trading setups. I hope you enjoy them. Once again, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. God bless, take care, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye for now.